If you're interested in learning the new interface to the National Water Information System, I thought I'd make this quick video to review some of the same features that I showed you in the old interface. First of all, if you want to get to all of the different data sets that are available for a different gauge, you might use this Data Inventory menu option at the top of the screen. If you click on that, it'll give you this drop-down menu of things like the daily average flows, the daily statistical data, that's the median daily flows. There's monthly statistics, annual statistics, etc. here. Notice that if you click on the detailed inventory here, it will take you to this page that looks like the older interface. And this gives you not only the daily data, daily statistics, but the time frame those data are available for. Notice if I click on current historical observations, it takes me right back to the modern interface. As with the old interface, you have a graph, but this is a much nicer graphing system. You have about 7 days worth of data here. Notice that in this case, I've got the data in feet. That means this is the stage for this gauge. This is not the area normalized discharge, it is the stage. If you want to change what data are being graphed for a given gauge, you need to scroll down a little bit. You'll find this Select Data to Graph caption. Right now you'll see that gauge height is selected with the radio button, and we can switch that to discharge by clicking on the discharge button. That should automatically update the graph, and now we have discharge in cubic feet per second. Also, we have the ability to look at the median daily flows on the same graph. You have this median option here, and you can add median to the graph. This doesn't show you the period of record for the median right here. But these are the median daily flows, which is the median of the flow for that day over the period of record for this gauge. So it looks like we're pretty close to right around median conditions right now on the Gallatin River. And it's early July in 2023 right now. One quick thing to note, that if you want to get some of these other statistics or these other flows, notice that if you go to something like the daily data, it's going to take you to the old interface. So the only part of the new interface they have available right now is for the continuous data. If you want to look at the daily average flows or some of the other statistics that they calculate, if you want to look at those in a graph or if you want to download those, you may have to work through this interface.